Hey, what's going on, my friends? We have another updated video of our growth portfolio where we contribute $25 every single week, regardless of how our portfolio is going, how the market is doing. We chipping away at it. And I say that because, as you guys can see, and we jumping right into it all the time. We usually start off at the 1 day and work our way up, but we are down 14.57% right now overall, but we're going to do what we do. So over the past day, we're actually up 1.51%. However, the past week, we're down 11.63%. The past month, we're down 29.95%. In the past quarter, we're down 14.57%, which is the same as 1 year and all time, of course. And so, hey, my friends, a growth portfolio means, I've been saying it from day one, I'll continue to say it, it's a marathon and not a sprint, and it can absolutely be incredibly volatile in that process of getting from point A to point B. That said, we are literally experiencing it right now. As you see, we're down 14.57%, which is a gain of we're down negative almost $100. Back here, back on October 28th, 29th, November 1st, you can see we were up over $1,000. Over $1,000. Now we're down to 750. Man, what is going on? Let's look at our portfolio and dive in here and see who's doing well, who's keeping us afloat, who is killing us. Well, Navita is at the top of our list with a 24.84% return, followed by Backed at 11.88%. And then we have ChargePoint in our EV pie at 1.22%. But aside from the three of them, the four other stocks in our pie, in our portfolio, are all in the red, and not just by a few points. We have Coinbase, which is down negative 21.76%. Then we have Palantir, who's down 23.65%, followed by Fuel Cell Energy, who's down 28.70%. And at the bottom of our list is DraftKings, who's down 41.41%. Killing it. No, not killing it. Literally killing it, like dying, dead. Because, yeah, all that red is not looking so good. However, it depends who you ask and what your mindset is and where you're at in this journey. Now, if yes, you're planning to retire next month, you're 70 years old, and you're like, you know what, we're at the end of the road, I'm done. Well, yeah, this wouldn't be good because you are relying on this, basically the performance of how these stocks are doing right there at the moment. However, in our case, this portfolio really, again, it's a long-term play focused on 10, 15, maybe 20 years, at the minimum 5 years. And I'm confident any red you currently see here will be in a much better place. And if anything, I view this as a buying opportunity. It's a sale, it's a discount. And that's why I stressed at the beginning of the video, regardless of how well or bad a stock is doing, if I believe in the company in the long term, will continue to contribute towards that stock, towards that company. And that's exactly what we're doing with this portfolio. Although we're seeing a lot of red with Coinbase and Palantir, Fuel Cell, and DraftKings, I'm confident we will bounce and be in a much, much better place. As a result of us being down and continuing to buy while it's down, that's going to only help propel us forward even, further. And so, hey, I have no issues. Of course, yeah, you always want to be in the green, but technically, I have no issues with how we're doing and where we're at. My biggest issue, if anything, is the fact that if you guys go back and watch my video that I made around this time period, I was basically saying, hey, we are up quite a bit. This is primarily because of Backed, and pretty sure it's going to fall down quite a bit from here. How low, I didn't know, but I knew it wasn't going to stay up where it was. Unfortunately, I was right. And, I don't view this portfolio as a swing, or day trading account. This is long term buy and hold, or, I'm going to sell. But when I do, we're parting or we're going our own ways. There's no, I'll see you tomorrow. Um, no, not a swing, not a day trading portfolio. This is strictly long term buy and hold, basically. So although back ripped up there, and it brought us up to over $1,000. I knew it was going to fall. The question was, how low would it go? And unfortunately, it fell down quite a bit. But we're still, we're still keeping them in the portfolio. I still believe in them. I still believe long term. At least so far. Who knows? Maybe in another year, their product, the platform might not look as good as we thought it might. There could be other contributing factors that will help influence and help determine if we want to buy or sell a company. But for now, I'm not worried about any red that we're currently seeing and experiencing. This is a long-term play. So we are continuing to buy while it's in the red because, hey, after all, this is a sale. This is a discount. So now's the time to buy. But of course, this, we just do the $25 a week. So if you're someone out there who's in a position where you're just adding to your power, to your portfolio whenever, this would be it because, they're in the red. That's what you want. Buy it when it's in the red if you believe in it. But in our case, we just got the autopilot set in motion. And that's why I like M1 Finance, because regardless of how well or bad things are going, we continue to invest every week this $25 into our portfolio. So, if you haven't started to, grow your money with M1 Finance, and I know you're like, what do you mean? You can't say grow money. You're down $100. Technically, you're right. But let's have this conversation in 5 years from now. We'll see where things are at then. But yeah, definitely consider getting started with M1 Finance as well. I do have a link down below. If you use my link, you can get hooked up. Just click the link. Just click it. And I also got Webull, another one of my favorite investing platforms that you should consider checking out as well. And I believe with Webull right now, if you sign up, you get some free stocks. Not too shabby, not too shabby. But all right, my friends, feel free to comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are with our portfolio, where again, total value of our current portfolio is basically $750. We're down quite a bit from that peak, from that all-time high at the beginning of November, end of October. So, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to comment down below. Do we want to make any moves now? Any trades, or just continue to roll with these the bad boys we have here and see what kind of magic we can make happen. So like I said, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Comment down below with your thoughts. Click the links to start investing and growing your money, and of course subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell. But all right, my friends, you already know I gotta keep it moving, but I'll see you in the next video. Peace.